Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how to make the before and after white transition in DaVinci Resolve 18. For this I have my clip right here. The first clip is the unedited photo and the second clip is the already edited photo, and I want to make the transition right here. What you want to do for this is go to Effects and type in Edge. To get the edge wipe effect, then just drag it between your two clips, and now it already looks like this. But as you can see, it's from the bottom to the top. Of course, if you click the effect, you can adjust the length of it. I want it to be longer, like this. Then, while having the effect selected, go in the upper right corner to Inspector, and under Transition you can see the settings. What we first do is adjust the angle to 90, so it's from left to right, and we can add a border. Here you can see the thickness of the border, and of course you can change the color, but I'll just stick with white, and you can just play around with these settings. And now this is my final end result. Okay, that was a quick tutorial on how to make the before and after white transition in DaVinci Resolve 18. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.